this is the exact math on how a notary public would make $100,000 a year. Yes, I said $100,000 a year, and yes, I said a notary public. A notary public who understands loan documents, home loan mortgage documents, is called a notary signing agent. And notary signing agents have two options on how to get loan signing appointments. The first one is through what we call direct business. That is getting loan appointments directly from realtors, mortgage officers, escrow officers, and title officers. For watching a home borrower sign their name on their loan documents about 100 times, they would make $150 on average per appointment if they got it directly from a mortgage professional. $150 appointment, 13 appointments a week, which is roughly 2 signings a day, 6 days a week, is $1,950 a week, or $100,000 a year. So that is the simple math on how a notary public who knows loan documents would make $100,000 a year. But there's another option for signing agents to make revenue opportunity. That is working with signing services. Signing services act like a buffer between the escrow company and the notary. They find a notary who's closest to the borrower's address, and for a notary answering a text message because they live closest to a borrower, they would on average make $100 per appointment. So the math on this side is easy. 20 signings a week at $100 is $2,000 a week. Or let's go back here real quick and say 4 signings a day, 5 days a week is basically 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, and they're making $2,000 a week or $100,000 a year. The math is simple. And this is why I call this the best kept secret in real estate. Notary publics are making money every single day by watching people sign their mortgage paperwork. For more notary signing agent tips like this, make sure you follow my page.